Hey there, today I have the Geek Smart Lock, and this is to replace a deadbolt on the door. And it's got a lot of nice features that we're going to be going over, and all of that can be found in the really nice comprehensive manual that they send with it. In the manual it shows everything you need from the different parts that it comes with, along with all of the programming that you need to program this to fit what you need it for. So right off the bat, you have the exterior plate, which underneath this knob, which is real nice, it hides it, is the actual manual key. If you ever forget the code or whatever, you don't have to worry about that. But that's hidden under there, which I really like. It's not accessible to everything and all the weather. Keeps it nice and weatherproof. This is weatherproof for all seasons, so you're good exterior that way. And then you also have the interior plate, which is nice, sleek, modern look. You don't see any of the screws, don't have any of the hardware showing. Real nice, clean look to it. And then right under here, you just pop that open. That's where your screws are to be able to connect the pieces. And also that's where your batteries, you need just some regular AA batteries will go into that. Not rechargeable or anything, just a regular AA battery to go into that to power it. So that just slides right up and down. Then it also came with the actual deadbolt with it, so you don't have to use the existing one. You can actually just get all the parts that you need right here. That's really nice. It has the stopper for the deadbolt, and then all the screws obviously came with it, but then it also comes with 2 manual keys, so you have one and a spare. And like I said, that's for if you ever forget your code, if it runs low on battery and you need to use it manually, you have the keys for that. So that's a second way to unlock it. A third way to unlock it is these IC cards. So this card here is actually, you program this sort of as like a key fob, and you are able just to scan and unlock and be able to work the lock that way as well. So that's a third way. And then the fourth way is you can actually just get the app on your phone, and then on the phone you can actually unlock and control the lock that way as well. So you have 4 different ways to access this lock, which is really nice, really convenient. You don't have to worry about ever losing the key or forgetting the combinations. You have backup that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed, and we're gonna see how it turns out. All right, so I'm gonna remove this old deadbolt, and I'm going to put on the new one. So you're first gonna take the deadbolt and go ahead and install that. You take the 2 wood screws that they gave you for this and go ahead and drill that in. Now you're gonna take your exterior deadbolt and you're going to put it through, and this little bar goes through the cross. All right, so once you get the exterior on there and through all the places there, then you're gonna take this mounting plate and go ahead and stick that through. We move on to the interior piece here. Now, it goes with battery side up. Now, last but not least, you go ahead and add the batteries. AA's, 4 of them. Set them in there. And I heard that it initiated. Go ahead and close that up. All right, so now you have it completely installed. Now let's try out. So manually, you can go ahead and you'll hear it actually beep, so you know that it's working. All right, or you can go ahead and use the code, which you have a preset code automatically to begin with. And just like that, so you just push the code and push the lock button. And you're able to lock and unlock your door. Why didn't it unlock? Alright, so one way to unlock your door is to actually get the Geek Smart app. You can just push add device. Now, all you have to do, once it's been successful, all you have to do is click. And it unlocks. Now that it's unlocked, so you press and hold to lock it. And you just quickly press it to unlock it. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you're able to use this product and enjoy it as much as I will.